I think that's the special thing about CSI is everyone here just gives with two hands and we only ask with one.
So my name is Dr. Briskie. I own Colorado Surgical Institute. I also own a private practice that's just about 20 minutes north of Denver. So about 3 years ago, Dr. Dhoon and myself, we founded Colorado Surgical Institute. We're celebrating our 3rd anniversary, which we're really, really excited about. So Dr. Dhoon and I met through a friend. What I would say the most important reason why CSI came out and we were able to create the surgical institute is because we found each other. Having someone just like you on the surgical field, and it really was like a rocket ship strapped to our back. It really excelled, it propelled us. We're a little bit competitive with each other. We love doing the same thing. So anyone that's listening, I'd say you gotta find your equivalent surgical friend. Otherwise, you can't learn as fast as we did.
Hey, this is Dr. Dhoon with Colorado Surgical Institute, coming to you from Greeley, Colorado. I don't necessarily think that there's a better or a worse. I think at the end of the day, it's certain people love to teach. And what I think we've done well here at CSI is we've put together a lot of different experts who come in and mentor these courses who just naturally love to teach. Like it's part of their DNA, it resonates through them. And then also what I think is really special about what we do here is we'll do phone calls and case planning with the doctors for years. We don't charge anything extra for it because it's really, you can't learn how to do surgery in one weekend, and you can't even learn how to do surgery well in 1 year. What you really need is you need mentorship that comes where it's just giving and giving and giving because we want to give. There's no strings attached to it. We just naturally want people to go home and succeed. And I think the only way to succeed at home without coming to courses continuously is to have someone you can run your cases by, where you can fail in front of them without judgment. And at the same time, when you succeed, they can be there to celebrate you as well. And so I think that's the special thing about CSI is everyone here just gives with two hands and we only ask with one.
So I think when students leave and we can get them to place an implant the week that they get back, that's my favorite part. We all do things for patients, but I like doing it for the doctor.